Hey guys, I'm extremely joyful as I'm able to inspire the young minds to do craft work. Motivated from my earlier videos, Abhay Shukla and Anant Tiwari of Suditi Global Academy Auraya City made these beautiful paintings. So before starting today's video, a big announcement. I will be uploading videos of children doing painting, drawing or any craft work to boost their morale. The video will be uploaded on the channel on 4th May 2020. You all are requested to make videos of your young ones. Make sure video is of under 2 minutes duration. Link to upload the video is provided in description box and in top of the comment box. Just click on the link provided to upload video from any device. Please mention the kid's name in audio of the uploaded video to get love from Crazy Craft. Today we are going to learn how to draw rose. As I have told you earlier, the thumb rule of drawing and painting is to draw from inside to outside. Remember to place your paper in the same orientation as you see in the video. Position your starting point in the same area of the paper as you see in the video to avoid running out of space. Pause the video if necessary to maintain a pace that suits you best. Our beautiful red rose is ready. Please do subscribe and share. Thanks for watching.